Now, can you increase the storage on your iPad hard disk? Well, if you open up the settings and go to the general, then iPad storage, you're going to notice that this is your capacity. Now, can you increase that? Well, technically you can, but not really. In case you want to just increase the built-in storage, it's not like you open up a computer or a Mac and you just upgrade it. It doesn't work that way, but you can do it indirectly by using some kind of accessories like the portable SSD, whichever one it is. Doesn't have to be this one, but this one is, for example, 1 terabyte right here. So you can easily just connect it through a USB-C cable and then access it in the Files app. So obviously it's not going to be part of the iPad, but it is going to be something, and you can at least just make it work somehow, right? So that is one option. And besides that, you only have the cloud capabilities, right? So you can then just set up iCloud and upload your photos and other content automatically to the iCloud, and that way you save storage on your local device. So an option as well, you can see I have the syncing enabled, but here you have to pay attention to the actual capacity of the iCloud, right? Because you only have 5 gigs for free, and you will probably need to upgrade to get the most out of this feature, right? But I'm just showing you how it kind of works. It's not the most convenient or the best way, but yeah, it just works, right? Also, besides that, you might use cloud in the different ways, like you might use Dropbox instead, right? It works, or you can get the Google Drive, so it's totally up to you. Let me know down below in the comments how exactly you want to increase the storage of your iPad. But for now, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.